Every drop of water, due to the combination of wisdom and technology, becomes better. Haier water heater, a global expert in safe water use. In 1986, the first Haier water heater was launched. In 2002, the first Haier water heater with patent safe care was launched. Haier's patent safe care was included in the international IEC standard. Haier water heater has 4 major research and development centers worldwide. Its professional research and development team provides 24/7 service for users. Meanwhile, it has started the building of intelligent interconnection factories and witnessed the building of the first lighthouse factories with age.
Haier water heater has ranked the first in terms of the global sales for 10 consecutive years.